Okay guys, I'm at the top of Pendle Hill. It's very windy. I'm testing the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless mic with my phone, and basically this is it. How does it sound? The wind is howling. I have got the little wind buffer on that comes with the mic, so I thought I'll let you guys know exactly how this mic is. And the mic, after a full charge, does last for hours. It's stayed connected so far, absolutely no problem connecting it to my phone. You just plug the receiver into your phone, it looks for the mic, the connected takes seconds. And there's a real wind up here, and this mic is great.